Hi, Math AP students. It's Ms. Moore here for our weekly lesson. So this week, you are going to be learning about congruence. So I wanted to just do a little video reviewing congruence. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. And then we're going to talk about congruence. So we're moving into some geometry here. And congruence is a big idea that you'll see throughout geometry. So what does it mean if something is congruent? So congruent figures are the same shape and the same size. So it's the exact same figure. It's a carbon copy of it. It's the exact same, so the exact same figure. If it's bigger or smaller, they are not congruent. If one is a circle and one is an oval, they're different shapes, so they are not congruent. So it has to be the exact same shape and the exact same size. So here would be an example. So we have this set of rectangles. They are the same shape and they are the same size. So these two would be considered congruent. They meet the requirements of congruent figures. Here we have this rectangle. Then we have this rectangle. It's the same shape, but it's a different size. So these figures would not be congruent. And so on your workbook on congruent figures, you're going to be using the transformations that you just learned about last unit. So reflections, rotations, and translations to determine what transformation was used to map these congruent figures and to determine if figures are congruent. So you're going to see some questions like this one down here that asks you which transformation shows that figure ABC is congruent to figure DEF. Because like we said in transformations, the size and the shape doesn't change, right? We're just turning, we're just flipping, we're just sliding. It's the exact same thing. So they're always congruent when you rotate, when you reflect, or when you translate. So if we look here, we're starting with triangle ABC, and then we see that it is, we have DEF, which is congruent. So to prove congruency, we need to determine which transformation took place. So it looks like it's not a reflection because otherwise it would be a mirror image. So this is not a mirror image. If we folded it right here on the line of reflection, it would not be the same. So it looks like this is a translation. This triangle ABC got slid over here to the right. Let's see, point A and point D. So we started here. So we went over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are translating triangle ABC 5 units to the right. So figure ABC is being translated 5 units to the right. So you're going to be looking at graphs and determining what transformations took place to give you the congruent figure. So let me know if you have any questions on this workbook. I have office hours. I'm off on Tuesday this week, but Thursday from 12 to 1, if you need help on this assignment, you can go ahead and book a Calendly appointment. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week.